your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, it is hot, but we are experiencing a little different atmosphere than we were 24 hours ago.
Yeah, it's very steamy outside because temperatures are in the 90s, and then you add on the high humidity, it feels like southeastern North Carolina in the summertime for sure today. All right, let's take a look from our frying pan tower camera. Pretty breezy out in the water, but if you were out on the beaches today, that was probably the best place to be to feel a little relief from that heat. 91 degrees at the Wilmington International Airport, a little bit above normal for this time of year. Average high temperature is 88 degrees and started out this morning a warm 76 degrees, well above average. Our average low is 71 and didn't pick up any rainfall at the airport. We're currently cooled down ever so slightly to 89 degrees. Look at that dew point at 75 degrees. So yes, there's a lot of moisture in our air, and at that point things feel very tropical. It's something you notice as soon as you step out the door. That strong southwesterly wind over the last couple of days is aided into that moisture that's in our air. And notice what our heat indices are, what it feels like to the exposed skin, 99 degrees. So yes, a very hot August day out there. Notice a little bit cooler over to Lumberton. 81 degrees is what our temperature is because we're actually seeing a little bit of rainfall over near I-95, but very warm. Holly Shelter 92 degrees, down at Southport 83, and even in Jacksonville at 91. So like I said, some showers moving in from west to east over near I-95. This was a strong storm, but now looks like it's been weakening over the last 30 minutes or so. Most areas are going to stay dry this evening, so if you have any plans, maybe go out to the Carolina Beach Boardwalk and look at the fireworks by the sea. Should be a-okay, maybe an isolated shower, but I think overall you should stay dry. Dinner by the riverfront should be a nice one as well. 84 degrees by 7 o'clock, and then getting down into the 70s by 10 o'clock this evening. So setting up the weather headlines, a cold front will cross the area tomorrow. That's giving us another chance to see some storms in the afternoon, keeping those clouds around for the majority of the day. But by Saturday, Sunday, it looked to be very nice. And on a positive note, less humidity as well. So Pinpoint Futurecast will start us off at 9:30 this evening. We'll see those showers and storms really start to weaken by sunset. And as this cold front continues to move a little bit closer to us, we're going to keep the clouds around. We'll start out Friday morning with temperatures in the 70s. The afternoon, better chance to see some storms, but it looks like really the coastal area is going to be at the biggest target for seeing these showers and storms, as that cold front's going to be passing through that peaked daytime heating. So could see some heavy downpours, maybe some lightning associated with these storms as well. It's going to swing just south of the area by Saturday, maybe a few clouds around to start out with, but overall going to be a really nice day. An isolated shower at most for Saturday and Sunday in the forecast. Temperatures a little bit cooler as well because of that cold front. Not too much of a difference, still near where we should be for this time of year. Plenty of sunshine for Saturday, even into Sunday. And we'll start out Sunday morning with temperatures in the 60s and with lower humidity as well. That's going to feel quite comfortable, especially comparing to the last couple of days. So our tropical satellite, we have 3 areas of interest. One that's just southeast of Bermuda. This does have a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days, so something to definitely keep a close eye on. We do have a tropical wave right off the western coast of Africa, also something we're going to keep a close eye on. Only has a 30% chance of development over the next 5 days. And of course, Hurricane Danny spinning out in the Atlantic Ocean. This was upgraded from a tropical storm to our first hurricane of this season as of 11 o'clock, and here's the latest details. Still 1,000 miles from the Windward Islands. 80-mile-per-hour sustained winds moving west-northwest at 10 miles per hour. It's expected to still be a Category 1 hurricane for tomorrow, but then by Sunday, it's really going to be battling the wind shear and dry air. So it's expected to weaken a little bit into a tropical storm as it makes its way to the Windward Islands. But the impact here in southeastern North Carolina is still very unclear. It's several days out before we will have any idea if it will have any impact on North America. So lows tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Spotty shower maybe overnight, but I think overall everyone will stay pretty dry. 70s for our overnight lows. Southwest winds, they'll be switching more out of a northerly component tomorrow when that cold front crosses the area. Around 90 degrees. Storms firing up in the afternoon under partly sunny skies. So if you want to head out to the beach, should be a good one. You'll just have to keep an eye on the afternoon, dodging those showers and storms. And here's your 7-day forecast. Nice weather for Saturday, Sunday.
Yes,
Not too bad.
the weekend is definitely changed. You know, earlier this week,
like
there was a little chance it could be, you know, the rain could carry over. Now we're talking about sunshine. So let's get the rain out the way, then we can dry out.
It's going to be a big difference with the humidity levels as well. So